Guys, I'm going to show you how to install a simple towel hanger. Um, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Should take probably less than that. But we'll show you. You need a screwdriver. You need a drill with a drill bit so that you can plug your drywall plugs in. Um, Once you buy this, it comes with the screws and all the screws you need to get started with. And you could get one of these. It makes the work easy. So let me show you first. And then you need a level that I have been doing this for quite a long time. I'm an expert, so I will just be gauging with my eye while I teach you. To make it easy for you, you could follow through the instructions in the manual.
Go.
Yeah, so to start off, first identify where you want to place it. And this bathroom, we're going to place it right around here. You could have the towel you'll be using just to see how it's going to feel once you have it fixed out here. So let's see, right around here. Shouldn't be bad. You don't want to put it too high. Well, it depends on how you want to do it. And then since we have this mirror and this picture up here, I just want to gauge so that it's going to be right in the middle. And then you want to check up here. It shows you which side should be up. It says up here with an arrow pointing up. So you place it up here, and then you can get a pen to take a quick measurement. Experts like me use one of these just to mark up here. You want to be careful so that you don't strip off the paint. So I just mark up here. So I know the area I'm going to put it. This is what would be going up here, the hook for the design. Now this manual has the measurements, so once you take the measurements here, you could use a level to mark and a rule to get the position. But in my case, I'm using this as my level and my rule, and then would try to locate these holes. So I'll place it up here, and then I make sure it's lined up with the mirror. Now you can use again, you can use a level so that you can get it straight, otherwise you get it slanted. Then I'll just punch a little hole here so that I know where I'm going to drill. These are where you're going to put your hole. Okay, perfect. So you could increase the hole size so that you can know exactly where you drill. Now we're ready to drill. You want to get it ready because you have some drywall falling down up here. Now, very importantly, you want the hole to be very small, about the size that this plug would fit in. You don't want to make it too big, otherwise it would be wiggling, moving inside, and you wouldn't have a good installation. So just a little bit more. Let's see. Okay, and then you could use a hammer to knock it in. I think I hit a wood stud in there. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so now I've seen that I have the wood stud in here. You could use a stud detector just to detect whether you have a stud, but normally on a normal drywall you put this plug in, and then you would you make sure it goes in and flush, and then you would screw inside once you put the hook in there. Now the instructions gives you two ways to do it, either by installing when you have a wood or when you have a drywall. If you have a wood, this is where you have a wood. Um, okay, so this is without a wood stud. Now this is wood wall stud. If you have a wood stud in there, you don't have to use this plug because the screws would make it stick, and that happens to be my situation. So I'll just go up right on, and then let's try to get it in here. Let me get my drill. Okay. If your hole is too big, you drill too big of a hole, you could fill it with a sealer. So let's see if we can get this in. Okay, I think I need more power, so
Go.
Okay, so I have my power drill ready. I have more power, so I'll use that. And then let's get this. The wood is really strong. Okay, let's get the second screw in here, right where I marked it, and you want to make sure it's leveled and straight so that you. Okay. Good job. Okay. Now let's. The power drill has too much power, but okay, we have it in. Now I want to tighten this one. Okay, good. Now it's very solid. Whoa, voila, now we got it going. So you pick this one. Now you want to check this is the up position, and then you just slide it in. Just have to wiggle it to make sure it's in right. Now we got it, perfect. Okay, now let's hang our towel and see how it's looking. Perfect, very strong and solid. Oops. Okay. It. All right, now the fun part is to test what you have done. Now I just want to wash my hands, take some soap. Voila! That's the fun part. Once you finish any good work, you want to test it. Okay, and then you get to the towel. You can leave it hanging and wipe your hands, or you can take it off from the hanger and wipe your hands. Woo! Now once you do a good job, you see that your hands are nicely wiped and you'll be feeling great. Thank you. If you like this DIY, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll give you more steps as we move through more DIY implementations. Thanks a lot.